the rumors that were starting to circulate about you in the streets, because it was like, dang, if she held him down.
So even if me and Yandy decide to break up, it's no one's business but our household. Right? So if you see me acting inappropriate, it's appropriate for me. It's maybe not for you, because I'm sorry you wasn't in the group chat when we decided that. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm sorry you wasn't in our bedroom when we had this conversation, and you know and that's the problem, because a lot of times these rumors, you know, we so private that we sit back and we laugh at it, and it doesn't affect us like the way it affects the public. People be like, oh, y'all should be more transparent and let us know.
Ain't your business.
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to let our children know.
Right, exactly.
For them to be a morning show, their audio is horrible. I'm not even a morning show, and my audio is better than that one. Golly, get y'all a better audio tech.
What's the status of you and Yandy right now?
Oh, we not together.
Y'all not together. So y'all getting a divorce?
Well, we never was like legally married, so I don't know.
You hear that? They were never legally married.
Oh, divorce.
Look at them. No, yo, look at Jock face. Yo, look at Jock face. He like, damn, you had to spill the beans, bro. He knew. He talked to Mendeecees. He know Broco. He knew for a long time. He was just like, damn, y'all ain't really married.
Yo, so the rumors are true that y'all just did it for TV.
Listen, nah, I didn't do it for TV. I think, yo, listen, it was Yandy.
Yeah, y'all technically did it for TV. When you think of what else did you do it for? Because if you didn't sign any papers, you did it for TV.
Yeah.